Jupiter, when associated with the Aruda Lagna, here it has Rashi Drishti in Tatascha. Jupiter is in Aries and Aruda Lagna in Leo, so Jupiter's Rashi Drishti on the Aruda Lagna. If Jupiter associates with the Aruda Lagna, you will be famous for your wealth. People will see you as a person with wealth. Okay?
As
So
if. Maybe. As if.
Obviously, I have Jupiter and Pisces, so some people think I'm earning lots of money, and the truth is I'm not earning that much money. Okay? The truth is I'm not.
Is it not Jupiter in Taurus?
Yes.
Maybe you are behaving like
I behave like I have lots of money. Yes, I do.
That's
It's weakness. I have this problem. I think I have lots to give to everybody. I don't really. Really, I don't. I think I have. No. It is worth noting that this Aruda Lagna and 7th are from the equal number of grahas, right? So maybe he was running a dasha which was related to these grahas because they can shake the Aruda.
Ketu and Moon.
Ketu alone is enough. Remember I said nodes can break the Aruda. Ketu, by the way, on the Aruda Lagna will reverse everything. Jupiter is the richest one, Ketu is a poor man. So Ketu in Aruda Lagna means poverty. Okay, poverty yoga. Not so good to have Ketu in Aruda. It's okay, don't worry. It'll make you rich sadhus. Rich sadhus.
Is there any such thing?
Air-conditioned sadhu. You know? You know how we coined this trade? He knows. ISKCON, there's a place for the sadhus to come visit. Only some in those rooms have air condition. You know, it's true. They have. Yeah, in Mayapur. What to do? The sadhus have to then tell, no, they can't stay here. Air conditioned. Air conditioned sadhu. Okay. What happened here? So if you do use Vimshotri Dasa, use already Mercury Dasha, Ketu Antadasha. Accurate. Very accurate. Chatushiti Samadasa, Saturn Dasa, Mars Antadasa. Why? What does Mars have to do with anything? Mars was supposed to gain for him, right? Remember? Mars never ruled Lagna. Prisaptati, Sun is there. Yes, Sun is the one who causes losses. Yes. Because it's government which causes losses. You see, Vimshotri worked very nicely. If you didn't know that Ketu and Rahu in the first or 7th from Aruda Lagna can ruin the Aruda, then you will miss this. Then you'll go running for these dashes and see which is more accurate. So this is enough to tell you there is a problem there. Vimshotri is more accurate, I think. You can read this also later. Please do so. Saturn's Badakish. Saturn Rahu. Moon is in Badakstan. Yes, you're right.
Who is this guy, Guruji?
Ah, yes. Politician. See the Aruda Lagna? Mercury, Moon, Venus. 12th from it has Saturn. 11th has nothing.
But Moon deposits.
Moon disposits. Alright. This 11th is aspected by Mars. Okay. So there's one source of gains which is Mars here. Income. Now what do we read here? By the way, does Moon associate with this 11th or 12th here? Only by Lordship, but that's not enough. Remember I said that? This is not enough.
That's not enough.
Not associated with the 12th. The dispositor Moon is here, Mercury is here, everything. Guess which nakshatras could Moon be in? In Virgo we have Hasta is there, loaded by Moon. Moon is there, so no change. Uttara Falguna is there, loaded by Sun. Sun is here, causing losses. It could be them. Chitra is at the end, yes. Mars. So Mars is over there. Mars can do something here. I don't know the degree. Let us see. But it's good to mentally calculate. And you can quickly see which grahas maybe they can cause. And when you figure out the nakshatra, you know if they can or not. If Moon is in Hasta, then no problem.
The Moon in Hasta also some kind of mountains.
Yes. But Moon is here, so that loss won't come. Right? It's not that Moon is not associating with these two. Sun, Uttara Falguni is associating with this. Chitra, Mars here, is associating with this. Arudha Lagna in Virgo, 12th house Leo with Saturn aspected by Rahu. Tremendous pressure from sibling for money. Why will Rahu cause, our Saturn cause pressure from sibling? Because Rahu is in a Martian sign. So the sign can also bring it. I will tell you, this is very accurate. Even though this Mars here shows income from a sibling, Rahu and Saturn, over here, Rahu having Rashi Drishti on Leo with Saturn and Rahu being in Aries, can cause brother to want to take something from you. He wants some income from you. Mars also has Argala on this Saturn, but are Mars and Saturn friends? Blue boxer, red boxer? You think they're friends? No. Yama yami? Okay. So, this Saturn here, which is supposed to define who you will spend on. If Saturn is in 12th from Arudha Lagna, you will spend on politicians. Did you know this? Note that down. Saturn. You check this in the chart. Saturn 12th from Arudha Lagna, spend on politicians. You know why they spend on politicians? They're not spending on politicians. They're spending on thugs. Thugs, bullies.
That's a different name for politicians anyway.
It's a different name for politicians. We call this mafia. Saturn 12 Arudha Lagna, you're spending money on mafia for protection. By the way, he's a politician. Did I mention that? So this Mars, though he's receiving some, he's giving him some income. He also wants some income from him. See that? He wants some income from him, and he can't get it because Saturn and Mars are not friends. And on top of that, Mars is in 3rd from Arudha Lagna.
Ooh,
Brother killed him,
with a knife.
shot him a few times. Note, larger number of planets aspecting 12th house. Only Mars aspects 11th house. Jupiter aspects neither, and instead aspects Arudha Lagna with Moon and exalted Mercury. Only Jupiter stepped out and said, I'm not going to be part of this. Just pause the recording. Okay?
He was defense minister.
Yes, defense also, yes. Then he became IB minister.
What is IB?
What is IB? Do you know? I know it was an internal something minister he was doing once. Maybe that's that LB. Rajasthan election, then he got murdered.
No, so internal affairs.
Internal affairs? Was it? Good to study this. Good to study this important stuff. A bit about Gulika.
Oh, but Shani.
Yeah. This is all for studying longevity. I'm not going to tell you to study this. How do I take it easy? The lamp is going out. You'll take a break.
And it's out.
Pause. Pause. Yes. Arudha Lagna is the name or reputation that a person enjoys, and is the name value he possesses. Planets aspecting or joining the 12th house from Arudha Lagna are those to whom he shall give money as they value him. So you give money here to 12th house from Arudha Lagna.